Oh yes.
Oh my god.
Make sure you get a good
That
angle.
is fucked. Oh my god, dude. What is up, everybody? Irvine Garage here, and we're back with another episode of Wheelin and Dealin. This is going to be more of sort of an update video, kind of show you the progress of everything we're working on. Today we're going to be doing some work on the MT250 because it's leaking oil pretty bad out of the exhaust manifold right in the front. So you can see we pulled some springs off, but right here it's leaking oil pretty bad, as you can see. And he did buy a gasket. I'm thinking it's going to be the wrong one because it looks like it goes to this manifold right here. So we're going to see if this thing even has a gasket on it, see how it's leaking. The exhaust is just coming right off of this piece, so it's either poor design or something's wrong. So let's figure it out. Is that not working? Go a size up or a size down?
Yeah, no, either. Both.
Want to get my got a metric set. Dude, this is a bitchin' ass tool. You should get one of these.
I know, I was thinking about it.
Look at this. You got your metric, you got your SA.
Fucking awesome, dude. Fat socket set, hammy, vice grips.
It's really everything you need.
Yeah, screw piece.
This one was a halfer, so let's go for a 7/8. Just a lick off. Make sure it doesn't strip it. I'm not gonna try that because it's gonna strip it.
Yeah.
We will do monkey.
I was about to go to Harbor Freight, and Megan was like, I was like, can we go to Harbor Freight? She's like, no, you know what? Yeah, and I was like, it's fine. I'm just gonna go in there and spend money for no reason.
Hey, it's like a fucking candy store.
It's
still working
it's
on
fucking
something.
awesome.
What a weird fucking bowl. It's gonna be a time lapse of an hour of us trying to get one bolt off. Well, if you're gonna do that, that's what I'm saying. Vice grips.
Yeah.
Oh, I think.
Okay,
I
there
think
you
we
go.
found a sweet spot. Oh yeah.
She should. Yep. Lay in the grass or wherever.
Just put that.
Oh, there's the gasket.
Wherever.
Rig it. You could just put that on the outside instead of the inside.
Okay. Exhaust is off. I'm thinking that's what it's gonna be. We should probably pull this off, see what the damage is under it. Because if we clean that off, we can see if there's any holes. Because that could very possibly be it.
Well, if you look inside there, it's not fit. It's like off. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Let's see if I can get in there with a flashlight. I don't think you'll see it. Yeah, you can see it a little bit, barely on my phone. But very big hole there. On the other side, it's sealed. So that's definitely what it is, I would think. I say we pull that assembly off, see if we can get it to cleaned up and see what we can see. Let me get my.
I got it. Yeah,
actually, I have it. What size is that?
7/16.
Oh, metric.
Should be. Yeah.
So we're looking at a 12.
You know the Japanese.
No, that's right 10 actually. It might be an 11. Let's try an 11 first, actually. And this is not the right tool. Oh yeah.
You think with all that oil, it should be a little.
You think it should be a little greasier. Watch they just fucking vice grips this thing.
Yeah.
To destroy the screwdriver, but that's a tough bolt to bust. Sorry, screwdriver.
Sorry, driver. You just got screwed.
I did get screwed. There's some people
she's
in
fucking in there, dude.
What?
Okay. Might need to take that to the anvil.
Oh shit. Oh, it's just grease.
Yeah. Yeah, it's grease.
Oh, it's not even fitted, dude.
Yeah.
I thought it was. Fuck me. It's fine. She'll poke out. It's fine. I'll get over it. retards on the time lapse.
Couldn't think of it.
Oh god, I want to fuck.
Put the vice grips on that and then do
Well,
the
no,
pliers.
that's gonna fuck up your threads.
Yeah, well.
You gotta think before you talk shit. I'm comfortable being called a Nazi.
What the fuck is this, dog?
That's probably a brake line. Is that? Do you have a front brake line?
Yeah, for sure, right here.
Oh, okay. I can see it.
What the fuck is that? How are the brake lights wired to know when you're braking? You know what I mean? Oh, is it? Oh, there it is. That's cool.
Are you shitting me, man? Sorry, threads.
Buster threads.
Buster your threads. God, even know how to use these like nothing. One more turn. Two more turns.
T-screw turns.
Now we get this piece. Put it back in there.
Tough nut to crack.
Shit. Well,
GG. Holy fuck.
actually, I just felt some movement. God damn, dude. What the fuck? Alright, that's gonna be it for this one. Let me try and break one of these little fuckers off in it. That's a little too thin. That's the thinnest one that I have. Let's try this one. Oh yeah, she's coming.
It's coming.
She's coming. She's gonna come.
Oh.
Oh.
That might actually work.
I was looking for a little assembly that might.
Look at that. Look at that little hole.
Well, I don't know if that's your fucking brake line.
You're putting too much pressure on her. Plus, he uses the back brakes anyway.
Buster Scruggs. Buster Scruggs using them back brakes. If I can find a little divot like that.
Bitch outside.
Yeah, told you. Like grease. Very used to it. I'm gonna fuck something up. Like something's just gonna snap
Wait
off.
a sec.
It's gonna be a double repair.
That's the battery box.
Is it?
Right? What else would that be?
Your air intake? That used to be the air box, right?
Yeah.
To the bottom of it. Breathable. Is there another
Dude,
panel?
that looks like perfect.
Dude, I can't believe this bolt. We really fucked the dog on this one, huh? Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Put the pliers, get the vice grips. Boom, something to catch it. Pressure. Ha!
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm gonna say we're gonna go with a 10 this time.
yeah. Learn a lesson.
Alright. Yeah, it's a 10. Where? I don't see it. We need to lay out some GD parts on pieces.
I wish we worked in the garage.
Huh?
We should work in the garage.
Yeah, we should be.
How's it going?
No bueno.
Not good.
Hot, dude.
Yeah, it's hot as shit. We've already sunk 30 minutes in this job. It's totaled.
Total.
It's right here.
So, if this is supposed to be one piece, shit out of Chief luck.
Oh my god, you took the whole thing off?
Yeah.
Did it leak anything?
No.
So then what the
I mean, it's leaking. I think it's either
You need to
that.
find out what this part is, because if this is a gasket, that could very well be it.
That's probably like a rubber O-ring. It's an O-ring. So it's not a gasket, it's an O-ring.
Thought it's supposed to work like an O-ring, but look at it.
Yeah, so that's fucked.
I don't know if they're supposed to be like that.
What if you started like this?
Gotta be loud.
It would destroy it.
It wouldn't even work, would it?
it would work, but you could really fuck it up. There's no back compression, so it's just...
Yeah.
It would be so fucking loud, too. Yeah, so you got this gasket, which is for that side. The intake.
Oh.
But pull this off. Look at this clip, too. I don't know if this is supposed to be straight. It's definitely not. It fits on there a little loosey-goosey. Or this. And I'm leaning towards this because this is not bent enough for it to matter, I feel like, and this gets screwed down and tightened.
So it should flatten.
So realistically, that should be tight. That should be tight.
What is that thing, though? Let me see it.
But there was oil buildup on that. But there was oil buildup on the front, too. So God knows. Because it looks like... Actually, let me see these screws. How tight are these screws in there? There's definitely a gap. So realistically, if it came from the back, it could seep through the screws. I don't know why I would cake the whole thing. And it's centered down here. Like you can see that most of the oil's coming out of the bottom.
Yeah.
So that's a possibility. Otherwise, I'm not sure. Like,
well, I say, put it back together and
order a handful of parts.
Run it. Yeah.
I don't know about that because I don't know where to put that. We can put everything else back together, but I don't know. Like
that one right there.
It did.
Yeah.
It's fucking.
I know.
Definitely this. I mean.
What is that even called?
I don't know. I think it's supposed to be some type of gasket.
Is it rubber or no?
If it is, you can't even tell it's rubber anymore, dude. So it's possible that it's this.
Let's put her back on.
And if we can secure it a little better, it's possible it won't leak.
Yeah.
I guess. Well, we can diagnose it one problem at a time.
Let's do it.
I do like that on this bed.
It'll die.
I don't know what does that. Leaks. Let's see. I just want to see if she's already caking up. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Very, very, very minimal. But you can already see we cleaned all of that off. You see that splatter in there? I can see it on the camera. There's definitely splatter. And I saw smoke coming out of it when we were first doing it. It's got to be that part because everything else is sealed. It's coming from that wedge in between. It almost looks like it's supposed to be another part, dude. Yeah. It looks like there's supposed to be a clamp. There's so much gap between those parts. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, it started out fine. It's dying again. So in like when I just started up for the first time, if I let it with no gas, it'll die. So let's do the thing right now.
It's right here.
Yeah.
Was it the idles?
It's this screw right here.
So it's gotta, I think you're supposed to tighten or loosen it. I think you loosen it.
Well, it just depends. It'll push the needle.
Yeah.
And it'll just let more gas in, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, unscrew it left.
Right?
Yeah, no, I was giving it gas for sure. But it seemed to let off a little easier.
I really hope he revs it or does something.
Oh, God.
Oh my God, dude.
That is awful.
That thing's loud.
I do not like the EcoBase. I don't think there's anything you could do to that car to make me like it. That was bad. It sounded like a Focus. Like, what's his name?
You smell
who
it?
cut their exhaust? Yeah, it smells awful. That smells worse than a two-stroke. All right, so little update on the BMW R1100RT, I think that's what it's called. But I don't know what I showed in the last one. I just got a bunch of parts in. I basically got everything except for the wheel, and I'm waiting on the timing case. Timing case is supposed to come today, but I didn't anticipate this where the exhaust was bent. It cracked this case, and this is cast aluminum, so I'm gonna have to replace it. I'm assuming it's leaking oil out of it. I stopped running the bike because I don't think it has much oil in it, if not any. But exhaust assembly's off and everything, so it's gonna be going through this case. We already took the trailing arm off. So suspension detached, I'm not gonna have to go up there. It's only 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, and then bolts all the way around this. for the actual case. This place can stay. But I'm wondering if it's a gasket in here. I'm just gonna have to be very careful when I take it apart so I don't break it. But that's definitely shot, and I'm assuming oil's leaking out of it. If not recently, it already has all leaked out. So I'm not gonna mess with that until I start it. The biggest things are gonna be the ABS line and the brake line. I think this is the brake line. Yeah, it's the brake line. And then the ABS. So getting all that hooked up, because I'm gonna have to go and redo the wire from the start. So I'm not gonna mess with that until I have the wheel and I have the handlebars on, and I know exactly where all the cables end up. So got some parts, but she still needs a lot of work. I have to get a new battery. The old battery is just warped. Like, no matter, I left it on the tender for 48 hours, and when it says green, obviously it's not, it's just a dead battery. So I need a new battery, and obviously the crankcase, something I didn't anticipate, but still looking good. And I will get this thing fixed up, and I'll update you guys in the next video. So that's going to be it for this one. One thing I want to ask you guys is what do you think I should do with the actual bike? The fairings are in kind of rough shape, and I don't have the rest of the body, at least for all the panels in the front. So I'm trying to think whether or not I should actually go for a full restoration, redo the glass, redo the fairings, or maybe I should just slap on whatever I have and try and sell the bike cheap. So obviously that could be the difference between selling the bike for somewhere in the midst of $2,500 to $3,000, then the bottom end would be $1,000, $1,500. So what do you guys think would look best? Maybe I should redo the fairings, maybe repaint it, maybe get this all done. A lot of these police bikes they used to use for these, so they have a ton of parts, at least for the body, so it shouldn't be too hard. I'm gonna have to get another mirror, but that's the least of my worries right now. So comment below what you think. Shoot a message, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
That is a nasty sack.
Can you hold the light or the camera? Yeah, that works.
Camera?
Yeah, that's good. Oh my god, it's wrinkly. That's gross. I wonder if he'll think it was us. If he goes to school, he might think it's something else.
If he goes to school, he'll think it's someone else. If he doesn't, he'll know it's us.
It's like glowing. It's like that's fucking SpongeBob. Twins. If I do this, go around, and then through.
That'll work.
Oh wait, I'm gonna do that in the back so you can't see the lock. You can only see the balls.
There you go.
Alright, so I just gotta fucking snap
Just,
it down.
yeah.
Oh yes.
Oh my god.
There we go. Make sure you get a good
That
angle.
is fun. Oh my god, dude.